You may have heard the phrase, beards grow faster in the summer. Well, on this channel, we like to take a look at common phrases that are repeated all the time because they sound right, and we like to analyze, are they actually true, or where did they come from, why are these false? For example, we covered a video that went over the idea that your beard will grow in thicker the more you continue to shave, and we proved that is just not true. Shaving has nothing to do with the thickness or the growth of your beard. But to get back to this topic, do beards actually grow faster in the summer, or AKA the warmer months? Well, this one is actually statistically true. On average, beards do grow faster in the warmer months. However, it's likely not for the reason that many of you are thinking if you have not heard this discussion before, and I would like to break that down in this video, but of course, I gotta introduce myself first. My name is Dan, C Bearded. I appreciate you guys checking this video out. If you like to go over beard facts and myths, please consider subscribing if you are not already. Shout out to those returning subscribers. I know you guys hopefully enjoy these kinds of videos, and everybody out there, stop what you're doing and please consider ruining that like button. All right, okay, didn't super work. I thought I could move into like a song into this, and I hadn't planned it out, and it just came to me in the moment. You get the idea. If you guys could, show YouTube you like this video by hitting that thumbs up. Oh my gosh, I'm ridiculous. Okay, but let's get to it. Statistically, beards do grow faster in the summer months, or the warmer months. And it really has nothing to do with the season, has nothing to do with the heat, has nothing to do with the sun or the climate. Hey, but Dan, vitamin D is good for your beard. That's true, but UV rays are very bad for your beard. The sun is good in moderation, but it's also bad, right? We can't say that something like the vitamin D is making our beard grow faster when the UV rays are damaging it. What is likely the cause of faster beard growth in the summer is more activity in the summer. And we have this proven in many different ways. For one, look at the YouTube activity, specifically in the beard world, the beard game, the beard niche on YouTube. It drastically falls off during the summer. Why? Because people are going outside. They are getting away from their devices and they are going on trips. They're going camping and they're just not watching as much YouTube. Now, part of that too is some people shave off and trim their beards in summer. I get that. But generally speaking, most people are the most active when it is nice outside. When you are active, you are increasing your heart rate. You are getting a subtle workout in. You are increasing your testosterone. You're even doing natural things like sweating, which is great for your beard. What? Yes. When you wash your beard properly and you have a good routine, the detoxing properties of sweating and getting all that out of your pores is great when you clean it properly. So with a combination of being active, having higher testosterone, which translates to DHT, which is the male testosterone that helps our beard. Covered that a million times on this channel, but it's just true. And just the idea of sweating and just the idea of being outside, having fresh air, probably having a mental impact of being active, of being productive, lowering your stress. Wait, this is just like a cornucopia, a tsunami of good things coming together that in return is good for your beard. If you are physically and mentally healthy, your beard is going to get better. If you are physically and mentally improving, your beard is going to improve. It's as simple as that. A lot of those really positive traits kind of go lesser or go away during the cold, dark, dry winter months. Now, this doesn't go for everybody, right? Some people just live in warm, hot climates, and so they might not see that change. But those of us that do have seasonal change, your beard will likely be beneficial in the summer because of all of those other traits that come with it. It does not have to do with the heat, the sun, or the actual climate. I thought that was so interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something. Above all, as every video, all I want is a little bit of food for thought. I want you guys leaving thinking, yeah, okay, I didn't think about that. And maybe it's not the whole video. Maybe it's one little phrase that you're like, yeah, that was a good point. Or maybe it was like, I wonder about this. Let me ask Dan this. Let me push back on this one. That's what this is all about. Conversation, discussion, and doing things to help people, entertain people, and just learn something every day. I know I do, and I appreciate you guys greatly. With that, the way we continue that is leave some comments down below. What are your questions? What are your observations that you have been through personally? And especially, did you have any light bulb aha moments? Let us know. I know a lot of you just watch and you sit back and you don't like to comment, you don't like to get involved. That's okay, I respect that. But for those of you that will do me a favor, I would appreciate those comments down below. Thank you guys so much. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.